Hey everyone, it's been a minute. Thanks for joining. Before we get to today's painting portion of the video, a few things I wanted to go over with you guys. Fluid Art Boutique event in Dublin, Ireland, here where I'm located. June 25th, 26th, and 27th. It's going to be amazing. It's always so fun, these events. The girls put on such a nice and welcoming, warm environment. The community is it's so much fun, and everybody learns so much. We have a variety of courses being offered. It's not too late to sign up. We have people coming from the US, other parts of the EU, the UK, Australia. Not too late. Get over. I will link the website below so you can go and check it out. There's lots of different information up there, things to do in Dublin outside of the event, transportation, all that jazz. So check that out and join us. It's going to be epic. Okay, next I want to show you guys some paintings that I've been working on. If you're not on my Facebook, you haven't seen these. If you are, you may have seen them or missed them. So this is a painting that I did. I took Tiffany Anna Art's course for her signature bumblebee. I have an obsession with bumblebees, and I really love her fluffy bumblebees. So now I have one that I did, and my daughter's doing them as well. She loves them. So yeah, that's fun. Love it, love it. Alright, what else do we have? This one I did off camera. I will be... Oh, I almost knocked over some paint. That would have been fun. I will be... I think I'm finished almost, maybe, for the most part. I don't know, actually. I'll be fitting this with a nice handmade floating frame. This is just done with paint and water and some smaller brushes. You'll be seeing this kind of style and color palette in today's video. I'm really digging on the square canvases. They're fun to work with. Now, today's video is going to be something like this. I put this up on Facebook, and a lot of you guys loved it. I'm all about the movement and the flow in this one. This was Prussian blue, greenish blue by Amsterdam, and some Sheleeart liquid titanium white, some small brushes, and some water. And yeah, this was a fun process. This took me a few days. Just layers and layers and layers, and it's very therapeutic. So I will be doing that in today's video, just a different color palette. Spinners. You guys have been keeping us so busy with the spinners. Thank you all so much. This is my largest one. It's about a 35-inch wingspan. I have two other varieties. You can check them out on my website, ericahughesart.com. This is the full setup for this one. Normally you guys see me using it in the X position, which I just remove two of these arms. To keep it clean, I'm just using some masking tape. This is the position you guys mostly see me using it in. It's great. I'm short, so it helps me maneuver around my canvas. Obviously you can spin with it. Another position I have is the Y, I call it. This one's good for like circles, like wood rounds and stuff like that. Or you can take this off completely and just use the spin top, up to you. You'll see me in today's video using it in the X position, like so. Anyway, if you want to check out this one or the other ones, you can see it all on my website. You can check processing times in the description. Yeah, but I think that's it. I'll link that below, ericahughesart.com. I guess let's just get on to the painting. It is sped up because that would be a very long video if I did not speed it up. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's fun. It's a nice calming process. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Bye. Enjoy.